All right, this is question 9 from section 3.1 of John Stewart's Calculus Early Transcendals. This question is basically just there's just two things to remember, that you can factor out a constant and that the derivative of a higher order polynomial is you just put the power in front and you subtract 1 from the power. Now this is negative, but it's not any different than what you did in questions 2 through 6. All right, so to start with, let's identify what we have. It's a higher order polynomial with a constant in front. So we're going to factor out that 1.8 out of the d over dv. And now we're going to move the minus 3 in front, and we're going to subtract 1 from the minus 3 in the power. So we end up getting negative 3 times 1.8 gives you negative 4.5, and negative 3 minus 1 is negative 4. So that's all there is to it. The derivative of the function is negative 5.4 v to the power of negative 4. So all this question is trying to teach you is when you're doing a derivative, if you have a negative number, you follow the exact same procedure. You just subtract 1 from the power and you put the original power in front. That's all there is to it. If you like this video, feel free to consider subscribing, as I'll be posting more questions from this chapter in the future and make it easier to find other videos. If you have a specific problem you need solved, feel free to take a screenshot and upload it to an image sharing website and leave a comment, and I'll try to solve it when I have a chance. Thank you very much.